Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to prepare a lovely cup of tea. So please just stick around and watch how I'm going to deliver this amazing cup of tea. So right here guys, I have some allspice leaf, some bay leaf, and to this guys I'm going to go ahead and add some cloves. What I'm going to do guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover this, and I'm going to allow it to boil for 8 minutes. Okay guys, now that our tea is boiling, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and strain, and I'm going to sweeten with organic honey. Okay guys, now for the amazing health benefit of this tea. It helps to reduce pain, it increases blood circulation, it improves mood, boosts your immune system, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and it helps persons who have diabetes. They are better able to manage their diabetes with this amazing tea. See guys, this is amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sweeten with organic honey. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye, stay safe and stay healthy.